Did you know the ultimate superfood? Feeling sluggish, dealing with gut issues, or looking to add some glow to your skin? It's time to add yogurt to your daily routine. This humble food packs a powerful punch when it comes to health. Here's why it should be your go-to snack. Gut health champion, did you know that your gut is home to trillions of bacteria? When this balance is thrown off, it can lead to bloating, poor digestion, and even weakened immunity. Yogurt is a natural probiotic, meaning it's rich in the good bacteria your gut craves. A happy gut means smoother digestion, better nutrient absorption, and even a stronger immune system. Packed with protein nutrients, looking to fuel your body and stay full longer. Yogurt is loaded with high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair, energy, and keeping hunger at bay. Not to mention, it's a fantastic source of calcium and B vitamins that support strong bones and give you that energy boost you need to tackle the day. Heart health hero. Regular yogurt consumption has been shown to help maintain healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The calcium, potassium, and magnesium found in yogurt work together to protect your heart, lowering your risk of heart disease. If you're trying to maintain a heart-healthy diet, this is your go-to food. Weight loss wonder. Trying to shed a few pounds or keep them off yogurt can help. Its protein content keeps you full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack mindlessly. Plus, the probiotics may actually help regulate weight by boosting your metabolism. Radiant skin from within. Who knew that what you eat could make your skin glow? Yogurt's probiotics help calm inflammation, which can reduce acne and give your complexion a smooth, radiant look. Plus, some even use yogurt topically as a face mask for that extra glow. How to make the most of your yogurt? Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt for the best results. Sweetened varieties are often packed with unnecessary sugars. Top it off. Add fresh fruits like berries, chia seeds, honey, or even a handful of granola for extra flavor, and nutrients love smoothies. Blend yogurt with fruits and veggies for a quick, healthy breakfast on the go. Yogurt is your one-stop shop for better digestion, a healthier heart, stronger bones, and glowing skin, all in one delicious serving. Why wait? Make it a part of your daily routine. What's your favorite way to enjoy yogurt? Comment below. Follow Albushra Naturals for more natural health tips and information on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.